Welcome to our channel. If you want to protect your bank accounts better, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable alerts and two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your online banking platform or mobile app. Navigate to the Settings or Security section where alert and authentication options are located. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication if your bank offers it. This security feature requires a second verification step like a text code or authentication app when logging in. Step 3. Download an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy if your bank supports it. Authenticator apps are more secure than text message codes. Step 4. Set up transaction alerts for all debit card purchases and withdrawals. Receive immediate notifications whenever money leaves your account to catch fraud quickly. Step 5. Create low balance alerts at a threshold that gives you time to add funds. Notifications when balance drops below $100 or $200 prevent overdrafts and bounced payments. Step 6. Enable alerts for large deposits and withdrawals over amounts you set. Unusual activity notifications help you identify unauthorized access immediately. Step 7. Set up login alerts to know whenever someone accesses your account. Immediate notification of login attempts helps catch compromised credentials quickly. Step 8. Review and update your alert settings and phone number regularly. Ensure alerts are sending to current contact information and adjust thresholds as your financial situation changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.